The Security Update Guide dashboard provides information on security updates released by Microsoft. In this video, I will show you how to create a CVE list in Excel from a CVRF document generated by the Security Update API. This video is created on the assumption that you have already generated the Security Update API key and have also checked how to output a CVRF document in JSON format using the PowerShell script, as well as know how to import the output file into Excel. If you are not ready or don't know how to check them, please watch the related videos of the same series before you proceed. First, import the CVRF document in JSON format into Excel. Click the list next to Vulnerability in the query editor. When the list is displayed, click Convert to a table. Expand column 1. Select the necessary columns such as Title, CVE, Ordinal, and click OK. Expand Title in the same way. Modify the column name accordingly. Exit Power Query and load the file into Excel. Today I explained how to create a CVE list in Excel from the CVRF document generated by the Security Update API.